Hi, everybody. Welcome to the end of week 5. That's correct. Just want to give everybody a heads up. No discussion this week. Don't have to worry about that. Just some quick reminders for this week, just to give you a heads up. Second pass of the body. Really need to see it up to 60-70% with the torso, the pelvis, the arms, and the legs. We'll finish it up with the hands and the feet and attach the head next week. That's really going to work. Next week's going to be a tough week. Just be prepared for it. It's a lot of work next week. Just want to prepare you and let you know what's coming up. Also, something to keep in mind with as well. Sorry about that. You also have your activity that's due on Sunday. So you have 2 assignments to turn in this weekend. You have the part 2 of your character body pass, and then you also have the document of what tools you used along with the 2 screenshots of the character bust that you created using the template in Mudbox. Definitely want to see that. Those are due tomorrow. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, stay tuned for my next announcement early next week, and we'll talk a little later. Enjoy, everybody. Bye-bye.